Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B. Now before I jump on into things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and I'm going to get started. So first things first, I went on Amazon and just started ordering all kind of unnecessary stuff that I didn't really need, but I did, and you guys get to watch me use it. So these are the tips that I purchased from Amazon Prime with my own coins. And I really like them. Like, I'm not a big tip fan, but these actually fit pretty well. I did file just a little bit on the corners to make sure that they fit. And then I applied them to my nails. And then I came in and I clipped the tips because I wanted more of a coffin type shape. So that's what you see me doing here. Next, I came in and I shaped them a little bit more, and I just roughed up the tips to make sure that all of my tips were a nice uneven texture. And I also purchased some Model 1 different gels. I did the base coat, top coat shiny, and the top coat matte. So today I wanted to go for more of a matte look, so I picked that in the base coat. So I'm not too sure if you should take the base coat all the way to the tip, but I did, and it turned out fine for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add that from root to tip. And I'm coming in with my Modelones Polygel from my last video. I'll link that in the cards. And I put basically right here, I'm just actually applying my polygel. So the polygel that I'm using is the nude from Model Ones. This video is not sponsored, however, they did sponsor that in my last video, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. I really like this color. I did more so of a thin look because I really am just into like thinner nails right now. Don't ask me why. Probably because once you add all that gel polish, it just looks too clumpy. So I did a more thin coat. Polygel is really easy to work with. I probably use a little bit too much slip solution or alcohol, but they still turned out perfect. Once I finished applying all of my nails, I did come back and I did not like that middle finger. So I came back and I added a little bit more polygel to make it a little bit more opaque. But other than that, this is pretty much it as far as applying my polygel. after I cured my nails, I went ahead and wiped off the sticky stuff, and then I reshaped them and filed them and buffed them. I did come in with my e-file around the cuticles. You don't really have to do that with polygel because it is so soft and easy to file with your hand file. But I just prefer that because I like it to be really flush and very smooth. And then after I'm done with my e-file, I like to come in and buff it just with a big block buffer, just so it has less lines in it when I go to apply the gel coat. So I'm coming in with some old gel shellac, I don't know, whatever. It's from OPI. But I'm coming in with some old gel polish that I've had for years. I think it's called Once in a Million. I'll put it in the description box. But I don't know, I was feeling this color for some reason. Haven't used it except maybe once before. So I came in with that, but I know I wanted the matte look. So I kind of played around with it, just kind of get an idea of what I want. And I tried to apply some crystals. I didn't like the way that they were coming out, so I ended up kind of just moving them around to something that was a little bit more appealing to the eye. And then I put matte top coat on all of my nails, and I cured those for 30 seconds. So once I was done curing it, I came in with Parker J's Magic Mane Oil, used it as my cuticle oil, brought those hands back to life, and then I was like, no, I'm missing something. So I came in with some rubbing alcohol, cleaned off my pinky nail, and I tried to attempt, y'all, you know how sometimes you do some stuff and you be like, girl, why? You should have left well enough alone. But what I did was I attempted to marble my nails. I watched somebody else's YouTube video and got all bold and creative, and it really came out looking a mess. But by this time, I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna rock it. I'm gonna go with it. So I applied some gel polishes, and then I came in with some 91% alcohol and attempted to let them marble, but it just made more of a mess. But whatever, y'all know me, I don't care. I'll fix it next week on my next nail set. But anyways, that is pretty much it. Thank you guys if you made it to the end of this video. Thank you for tuning in. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Mila B out.